news around the globe. Ukraine is on fire and US adding fuel on it. Here's the details.
John Mearsheimer, an American political scientist, believes that US is the one to blame of the crisis Ukraine is facing. Its foreign policy of pervading and exhibiting influence among its alliance are for self-interest of protecting its own national security. He also said in an interview that America will do anticipatory measures in expectant of possible adversaries. Added that the US and its European alliance are liable in the Ukraine crisis. US provoked Russia by having good relationship with Ukraine and turning it to pro-American state. The possibility of Ukraine joining NATO or NATO means eastern expansion of military occupancy going near the border of Russia. Significant interest shown by the Ukraine government to join NATO triggered Putin to order special military activity in their country, eventually lead to more aggressive attacks since President Zelensky firmly exhibited a mountain-strong determination to protect their country, its people and sovereignty. This interest developed when Zelensky signed a request to expedite his request of membership to EU, hoping they can get more Western support. But as a writing of this news, no decision has been yet. Nevertheless, NATO and EU stand in solidarity in supporting Ukraine. Days after the onset of coalition, US initiated economic sanctions against Russia, trying to paralyze its financial stability, but Russia, it's a self-sufficient and self-reliant nation. Russia's spokesperson Dmitry Peskov admitted that their economic is affected in tight situation but they have plans to withstand it. US also suggested a no-fly zone about Ukraine without releasing it could lead to war between them instead, since the idea needs to be executed. These two nuclear imposition nation might demonstrate how great they are at the expense of Ukraine if US continue to intervene.
This has been Mark Mendoza for World News.